Hey there, welcome back to AutoNet. So today I want to talk a little bit about a feature that you can do in the ArcGIS Online platform when you're writing your apps so that you can create a proxy service for some of the premium service with your free developer account or your regular developer accounts. All right, so let's take a look at this example here real quick. So this is a sample from the JavaScript API that does routing. All right, so if I just click somewhere on the map and click somewhere else, it's going to go ahead and give me that nice route on the map there. So that's one of the premium services you can get from the ArcGIS Online platform, is be able to do routing here. And I can see here it's just using this world route server, but there is a proxy setup in the sample, and this proxy is actually used to handle the credentials needed to be able to run that premium service. So if I comment the proxy stuff out and try to do the routing, so I'll start over here. Let's try to get to this park down here. I'm going to get a pop-up. It wants me to sign in to ArcGIS Online so I can get access to that premium service. So let's say, for example, you want to publish your app using one of the premium services from your account, but you don't want to do a proxy and you don't want to force people to log in or something. You can actually set up what's called a proxy service. So let's check that out. So if I come over here to, I think it's dashboard. I was going to get lost around here sometimes. I come to dashboard, and I have a bunch of applications in here. So let me just go ahead and let's click this AVL one. I didn't forget what this is for. Don't look at my secret. So what you want to do is you actually want to go to services. And this is called service proxies on this page, right? So from here, you just read the instructions. Pretty basic to get set up. But essentially what you can do here is pick a service. And in this case, I'm going to pick routing and directions, but you can also do like the traffic layers, service area stuff, geonrichment, geocoding, all the premium services in here. So out of your routing and directions, and you can set a request limit so you can make sure that people aren't going to eat up all your credits. In this case here, I'm just going to go ahead and set one up real quick for 10 per minute. Add that. And it's going to give me this URL here, right? So copy that URL. Let's come back to the sample. Now let's change the URL on the sample here. All right, so refresh the sample again. Again, I'll click over here, click down here, and bam, there you go. We are all good to go using premium services with that proxy service. Problem is that right now, this is open to anyone to use. So any of you fools out there can steal my service and use up all my credits to do whatever it is you want to do. So what I actually would want to do is I want to set up a whitelist. So I could do something like set up a whitelist for my website. So only apps published to odo.net would work. Again, that's odo.net. You guys should go check it out. It's pretty cool. And let's come back to the sample here, refresh it again. Now click here, click down over here, and it's going to want me to log in again because this app is not located on odo.net because I've only got a whitelist for that. But now I can go ahead and let's say I want to whitelist everything on arcgis.com. So I'll just do start.arcgis.com, set that up again. Let's refresh the sample one more time. I'll click over here, click down here. And again, because I added arcgis.com to my whitelist for my proxy service, it's going to go ahead and work. So make sure that if you do these proxy services, do set up a whitelist for where your application is going to get published. That way people can't just steal your proxy URLs and use them in their own apps, and they'll eat up all your credits. All right, take advantage of your proxies, people. Thanks.